Today's topic is divisional structure. As such, organization structure is divided into two. What are they? Functional structure and divisional structure. Many large organizations with diversified activities have reorganized themselves away from the simpler and basic functional structure towards a divisional structure which is more suited to their activities. This is particularly true of those enterprises which have more than one category of products. More than one category of products to offer. This is because every organization performs a set of homogeneous functions. As it diversifies into varied product or categories, the need for a more evolved structural design is felt to cope with the emerging complexity. In a divisional structure, the organization structure comprises of separate business units or divisions. Separate business units or divisions. Each unit has a divisional manager. Everything is related to the heading. Divisional manager responsible for performance and who has authority over the unit. Generally, manpower is grouped on the basis of different products manufactured. Each division is multifunctional because within each division functions like production, marketing, finance, purchase, etc. perform together to achieve a common goal. Each division is self-contained as it develops expertise in all functions related to a product line. In other words, within each division, the functional structure tends to be adopted. However, functions may vary across divisions in accordance with a particular product line. Each division works as a profit center where the divisional head is responsible for the profit or loss of his division. For example, a large company may have divisions like cosmetics, clothing, etc. See the organizational chart showing divisional and functional structure. Page number 122. Managing director is at the top. Cosmetics, garments, footwear, and skincare. And garments, it's again divided into human resources, marketing, research and development, and purchasing. Each division works as a profit center where the divisional head is responsible for the profit or loss of his division. For example, a large company may have divisions like cosmetics, clothing, etc. So what are the advantages? Division structure offers many benefits. Prominent among them, important ones, product specialization, helps in the development of varied skills in a divisional head, and this prepares him for higher positions. This is because he gains experience in all functions related to a particular product. Divisional heads are accountable for profits, as revenue and costs related to different departments can be easily identified and assigned to them. This provides a proper basis for performance measurement. It helps in fixation responsibility in case of poor performance of the division, and appropriate remedial action can be taken. Thirdly, it promotes flexibility and initiative because each division functions as an autonomous unit, which leads to faster decision making. It facilitates expansion and growth of new divisions can be added without interrupting the existing operations by merely adding another divisional head and staff for the new product line. What are the disadvantages? Please make it column wise, then easy to learn. The divisional structure has other disadvantages. First point, conflict may arise among different divisions with reference to the allocation of funds, and further a particular division may seek to maximize its profits at the cost of other divisions. Secondly, it may lead to increase in cost since there may be a duplication of activities across products. Providing each division with a separate set of similar functions increases expenses. Thirdly, it provides managers with the authority to supervise all activities related to a particular division. In course of time, such a manager gains power and in a bid to assert his independence may ignore organizational interests. And sometimes they may work against the interests of the organization. The suitability of this divisional structure. Divisional structure is suitable for those business enterprises, tell me, where large variety of products are manufactured using different productive resources. When an organization grows and needs to add more employees, create more departments, and introduce new levels of management, it will decide to adopt a divisional structure. When an organization grows and needs to add more employees, create more departments, and introduce new levels of management, it will decide to adopt a divisional structure. Page number 123 is giving a comparative analysis of functional divisional structure, comparison of a functional and divisional structure. It's an assignment. It's a formation is based on functions, the word itself based on a S. Like that, in the case of function structure, in the case of division structure, formation is based on product line supported by functions. Please note that point. And supported by functions. Yes, so you have to very thoroughly learn these column-wise analysis also. Okay, thank you. Take care.